Get to it.
I won't do it. I won't do it.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, I don't want no part of it.
Listen, you want to eat, don't you?
Yeah, Babbitt. I want to eat. I love to eat.
Well, then, go up and get the bird out of that nest, and we'll eat.
But I don't want to fight no bird. I like birds. I go hungry first.
What's the matter, Fraidy Cat? This is only a tiny little bird.
You mean a poor little dincy-wincy, itsy-bitsy defenseless boy?
Yes.
Let me at him! Let me at him! I'll get him, Babbitt! Gangway, I'll mobilize him! Let me at him!
Take it easy, take it easy.
Come on, where'd you get that stuff? Don't hold me back! I'll get him! I'll show him!
Come on, quit your fooling. Get up that ladder.
Push me, Abbott! Don't push me!
Come on.
I'm scared to go up high. I get hydrophobia. Oh, I don't want to come down. Oh, don't push me. Oh, don't. You can't make me do it. You can't make me do it. He did it.
Come on, stupid. Get the bird.
Oh.
Give me the bird. Give me the bird.
If the Hayes office would only let me, I'd give him the bird, all right. Get away up here. Say, Babbitt, are you sure this thing is gonna be okay?
Of course, of course. Everything's under control.
Don't push me down in a box, Babbitt. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Babbitt! Oh, Babbitt! Babbitt!
What's the matter now?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Well, I'll let you out then.
I tore a pussy cat. I did. I tore a pussy cat. Oh, the poor pussy cat. He crushed his witty head.
Gee, Babbitt, I'm just no good.
Oh, the brakes were against you.
I'm a flapperoo. I can't even get the boy.
Don't worry. You'll get it all right.
You mean I'll get it in the end?
Yeah, and you'll get a big bang out of it, too.
Well, that sure takes a load off of my mind. Hey, cut it out! Cut it out, pigeon! Don't do that!
This Sweetie Pitty went to market. This Sweetie Pitty stayed home. This Sweetie Pitty had roast beef. Well, what do you know? I ran out of pitties. Here, Pussycat.
I'll save you. Where are you? Speak to me. Speak to me. Come on. Stop your clowning. What's the matter with you? Aren't you ashamed?
I don't know.
Why do you do these things?
I'm a bad pussycat. Oh, I just can't seem to get the boy. Ain't no use.
Don't worry.
I can't do it.
This'll get you up there. Contact.
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 Contact. Hey, Bubba! I'm a
Hello? False intercepted command? I see an unidentified object flying around my widow head.
Is there an insurance salesman in the house?
Airwade, lights out, total blackout. Wake it up, pretty cat, wake it up. Airwade, lights out, total blackout.
Hey, now's our chance. Come on.
Turn out those lights!
All's well. What's up, boy? Never mind that club. All's well. See the head right ahead. There's a moonlit. Come on, have fun. Oh! Hey, what's the idea of blocking traffic? Somebody's liable to get hurt. What's this? To Royal Zoo, Lilliput. Rubberneck Kango. Very rare. Hey, what's a Kango?
Search me, Gabby. I ain't never seen one.
Somebody's played a joke on you. There ain't no such animal. Well, there might be one at that. Well, you're just a little feller, ain't ya? You're lucky I'm here. I know how to handle Kangos. Now call the zoo and tell them Gabby's bringing the Kango right over.
Okay, Gabby.
Okay, Kango, let's go. We'll bring him back alive. Gabby's gonna take you to the zoo. You know, little feller, there ain't no animal, big or small, I can't handle. Yes, sir. Why, one time So this is what a rubberneck Kango was like, huh? If I didn't see it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it. Boy, oh boy, will they see this at the zoo? Hey, now what are you up to? Water. Okay, open up. Wider, wider. still and get down out of here. Now hold it. Don't move. Steady. Let me out of here. Now listen, you great big... I still say there ain't no such animal. Come on, you little runt. I'm gonna slap you into a cage and keep you out of trouble. Or I might start believing what I'm seeing. Okay, Pee-wee. Hop in. No! Now listen, you big stiff. I've had enough. Get in there. Oh, freaks again, eh? Oh, I'll fix you. Come on, roll up. Wise guy, huh? Get big, you runt. Just giving him stretching exercises. So's he'll grow tall. Like you. No! Open up, quick! Let me in. Hey, let me in. He's running wild, I tell you. There, see? Oh, wow! Hey, get me out of here. What's a rainy day? Never mind that cloud. Behind that cloud you'll find a golden ray. All's well. Laugh your fears away. See the light ahead, right ahead. There's a moonlit night ahead. Everyone, come on, have fun. All's well. All's well. What's a rainy day? Never mind that cloud. Behind that cloud you'll find a golden ray. All's well. Laugh your fears away. See the light ahead, right ahead. There's a moonlit night ahead. Everyone, come on, have fun. All's well. Well, well, well. Hello, little stranger. Now, let's see a great big smile from the great big men's. sentence. That was naughty, naughty. Mustn't, mustn't. Now be a good itty-bitty boy, and Gabby will. I'll do it if it's the last thing I ever do. Well, that's that. What's a rainy day?
$1. Hip, hip, hooray! My junior starts going to school today. Wake up, dear. Wake up, dear. Wake up! Dear?
Oh, Mother, your howling scared this howling. Really, it did.
Now, Now, it's very important to get an education, because we owls have quite a reputation. Now, here's your great-great-grandfather. This is your uncle. He was always cooking with gas. And here's a cousin that's really buzzing. Oops, this playbird was the black owl of the family.
Goodbye, Mother. I'll be an honor student. Honest, I will. With my new pair of breeches and fancy tie, I'm on my way to school. Though I'm just starting kindergarten, I'm nobody's fool. Gonna learn reading, writing, arithmetic. Big words won't make me squirm. And you can quote me, they'll promote me twice in every term. In every subject I will pass with honors from A to Z. And I'll show every kid in class I come from a real smart family. Now I'm off to the classroom to meet new friends and stay with them till noon. So I'm just starting kindergarten. I'll be graduating soon. You can't eat me now, Mr. Wolf. Really, you can't, because I have to go to school.
That blue-braid breakfast ain't getting away from me. Stool.
Good gosh, I can't read right. I wonder which way to go. That away.
I'm your new teacher. Glad to meet up with you.
This is for you, teacher. Really, it is.
You's me choice pupil. And for that, you's get the choicest seat.
Oh, teacher! Oh, teacher! I can't see you!
Peekaboo. Now we must start cooking with the first lesson. 1, 2, I like you. 3, 4, lock the door. 5, 6, chop some sticks. 7, 8, lay 'em straight. 9, nice again.
Oh, dear, I must hurry with Junior's lunch.
Yes?
I'm Junior's mother.
What a delicious dish. Well, what a healthy mother. So tender and tasty. This way, madame.
This humidity is killing me. Really, it is. Oh, Mother, school is hot stuff.
Oh, Junior! It's the wolf!
Oh, we sure gave that wolf the bird, didn't we, Mother?
Help! Junior, help! Help! Junior, rescue me, or I'll be a feast for this beast!
So round, so fat, so fully stacked.
Oh, teacher, I've learned my lesson. Listen. 1, 2, fully on you. 3, 4, on the floor. 5, 6, chop some sticks. 7,